In a world where crime lurks around every corner, doorbell cameras and security footage have become the unsung heroes of our neighborhoods. From brazen break-ins to bizarre behavior, these ever-watchful eyes capture it all. We'll take you on a heart-pounding journey through the streets of Desert Hot Springs, California, where a group of daring thieves arrive in a seemingly innocent Kia Rio, only to shatter the tranquility of a backyard and break into a home in broad daylight. Welcome to Midnight Creeps, where we bring you the most shocking and captivating incidents. So like, comment, and subscribe. Desert Hot Springs, California. 5 men, their faces obscured, emerge from a nondescript Kia Rio. Their intentions are dark. With swift, calculated moves, they make their way to a backyard, shattering the tranquility of the neighborhood. In a brazen display of criminal prowess, they break through a window, gaining access to the home and the treasures that lie within. The homeowner is probably at work, not even suspecting that this is happening. Brooklyn, New York, a car careens out of control, crashing into a school crossing sign. The twisted metal and shattered glass serve as a reminder of the ever-present dangers. Fortunately, it wasn't ours.
Yo.
Yes, can you hear me? Hello?
Yo, what's going on?
Nothing. I'm looking for John. He, your neighbor, the heavyset guy. I'm, like, by his house. He told me to come over here. I don't know if he fell asleep or not, but I'm out here, and he had an inhaler for me, a hyperventilator, and I'm about to pass out. He's not answering the phone.
In Detroit, Michigan, where a desperate individual seeks a man named John.
He works for Dakota. He a heavyset guy.
I don't know who he is, baby. You want me to call him?
He drive a truck. He work at Dakota. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before.
Nah, what neighbor? Where he stay?
Sean, John, whatever fuck. I used to work with him.
Yeah, I don't know. You want me to call the ambulance for you?
No, I don't need no ambulance. My girlfriend in my car, and she's not pulling up. I was picking up some money and inhaler from him. I'm good. My hyperventilator, because you got me on the dummy and my phone dead. I ain't mean to knock on your door. I'm sorry for being disrespectful, but I need my cheese and my stuff on this thing. I got his address, but my phone dead. I got an iPhone. Sitting out here looking dumb as hell. Never been no type of, like, I don't mean to wake up your family, none of that. I'm sorry to be disrespectful, come on to like that, but I'm out here, like, literally, phone dead, everything. I just talked to a girl earlier. Like, I'm trying to find this house, because I don't got this address. I got this address in my phone. I'm pretty sure you know who he is. He's driving, like, a red truck.
He drive a red truck? Yeah, I don't really know.
Like a red Ford. He stay right by you. I'm right at his destination, but I cannot find his house. I think
he must stay on the other end. He stay on the other end.
Across the street from you. It said a minute away. Like, literally. The house across the street from you.
With claims of a need for help, this person's pleas echo through the streets. A neighbor named David and a red truck hold the key to unraveling this mystery, but the truth remains elusive.
Excuse me, you guys don't live there.
Yeah, can you guys leave? We're gonna call the cops right now.
Okay, there's people that live there that got evicted, so you guys don't live there.
Yeah, you need to leave.
Mesa, Arizona. A confrontation unfolds as a neighbor takes a stand against alleged squatters. With the threat of police intervention looming, the squatters are informed that the previous residents have been evicted. Their claims to the property nothing more than a hollow facade.
Why are you by my door? Get away from my door. Hey, bro, the police coming.
Las Vegas, Nevada. An individual attempts to damage a Ring doorbell, perhaps in an attempt to evade detection. But little do they know, the ever-watchful eye of the camera has captured their every move.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Yeah, I know already. Shit. You don't have to tell me 3 times.
Phoenix, Arizona. In a moment of self-awareness, he acknowledges his presence on the digital stage, a performance captured for all to see. Mesa, a woman armed with a ladder, aims at the very symbols of patriotism, pulling down flags from the homes of unsuspecting residents. Her motives remain a mystery. Unknown location. A neighbor recorded this video. Seems like he had an enmity with the homeowner. Tucson, Arizona. A suspicious woman with a flashlight appears to be casing houses, her intentions hidden in the shadows of the night. Columbus, Ohio, a homeowner confronts an intruder attempting to break into their back door. The homeowner takes a stand against the invasion of their sanctuary. Philadelphia bears witness to 2 girls up to no good, their actions caught on camera, a testament to the mischief that lurks in the hearts of some. Austin, Texas, a vagrant seeks solace in a homeowner's backyard, using their hose and taking a shower. The homeowner calls the police, and the vagrant finds himself in the hands of the law. These are just a few of the tales that Midnight Creeps, CrimeWatch brings to light. From the daring to the desperate, the suspicious to the surreal, these cameras capture it all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Midnight Creeps, and join us as we unravel the mysteries and expose the truths that lie just beyond our doorsteps.